what Prime Minister Modi said.
Prime Minister Modi is used to making statements which are far away from the truth. Prime Minister Modi also said that the Mangal Sutra of Hindu women will be given over and the assets will be taken and given to those who produce more children.
All right.
Please answer that.
Yeah, I will.
Why did he say that?
So
is that the truth?
So let me answer this. What the BJP says is that when he was talking to the audience, this is off the record, that briefing that we have, it's not been explained on. Now, what they say is that when Rahul Gandhi says sabka forensic audit hoga to see who has how much wealth, which caste has or which community or which grouping.
You ask me something,
okay. Right? So who has wealth, and depending on jitni abadi utna haq, it goes off to those people. Now the point is that when you talk about equitable distribution of wealth, when in a political speech, when you're talking to rural women, when you are talking to rural men, rural women से आप क्या बात करोगे? उनके पास क्या है resources? उनके पास, they don't have access to resources, right? It's the men in the family who have assets and access to resources. The women only have Stridhan. The women only have their Mangal Sutra and the gold that they wear. So when you say that आपका जायजा लिया जाएगा कि तुम्हारे पास है कितना, how much land do you have, how many houses, how many scooters, how many tractors, how much borewell, then women के पास, तुम्हारे पास क्या है? So when again it is an interpretation which I'm saying
you can
again.
Interpret anything, like I can interpret your questions as saying that you are
asking me that why did the president, did the Prime Minister say
the Prime Minister is saying this because he wants votes on the basis of falsehood.
Okay.
Let me be clear on it. No Congress manifesto says this. No Congress manifesto talks of it. I'm not a congressman. I'm an independent member of parliament. I've read both manifestos.
Sir, you are completely a congressman even though you've left the Congress.
My heart is in that ideology, but I'm not a congressman.
You quit the Congress because
my heart is in that ideology. I said so openly. I've said so since the beginning. But the fact of the matter is I'm interpreting as a citizen of this country.
Okay.
Right? And the BJP manifesto, when it says कि आपको इतना पैसा तो अब दे रहे हैं, जब हम आएंगे तो आगे भी देंगे. That's bribery. That's bribery. That's taking votes on this. आगे भी हम आपको पैसा देंगे, आप हमें वोट कीजिए.
Isn't the Congress doing the same thing?
I am not asking I am not here for the Congress. If the Congress has done something wrong, I will say it. I'm telling you what the BJP is doing.
Which all political parties do.
So that's now justified. So if all political parties talk of this thing, therefore BJP can do it.
No, I'm just asking
if the Congress did a wrong, if the Congress did a wrong and you said, but Congress did it, so I can also do the wrong.
So different yardstick for the BJP.
Let's not know the same yardstick. If they are doing wrong, you should not do wrong. Why? Because you say you are different. No.
Like the Aam Aadmi Party should be different,
is
right?
different, huh?
The Aam Aadmi Party.
I'm not here sitting for the Aam Aadmi